Hello YouTube, welcome back to our channel. I am back after a week off because I got a new tattoo. It's very good. We are on our way to the gym, aren't we?
We are.
Hello Christopher.
Hello. Just come off a night shift, so I'm God, I feel a bit bunged up actually as well.
Oh.
Knackered. And I have also had about a week off, haven't I? Would you say?
That-ish.
Because lo and behold, it happens every prep, just before comp, I twinge something or pull something and my back's gone. So I'm going to do a few warm-ups today to see how I get on, but I'm supposed to be doing pause deadlifts. I don't think I'm going to do pause deadlifts, to be honest. I think that's possibly what pulled me back in the first place, so I'm not a fan of them. Don't want to do them. Sorry, Doug.
And what have I got today? I've got deadlifts. I can't remember. I think I've got pause deadlifts, block pulls, and some other bits and bobs, but you'll see a bit further along in the video because I am terrible at knowing what I've got for that day until the day when I am there at the gym.
No, I've actually forgot what I've got. I know I've got pause deadlifts that aren't going to be paused. I might do 1 second pause. It's supposed to do a 4 second, but I might do one. We'll see. Might just keep it light. Don't know.
Well, we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, and then I can't remember what I've got for the rest of the session. Well, this is good, isn't it?
Yeah. Anyway, we're not on the ball this week, are we?
No, we're not.
No, we're doing a video late, so Chris has got to do all the editing tonight.
Yeah, release it tomorrow.
Yeah.
How many days until my comp now? I think this is the last week of prep anyway.
Yeah, it is.
So that's why. I mean, my back doesn't feel 100%, but I've just got to go.
Yes.
Doug said just move, just keep moving, just see how you get on, keep the weight light.
Yeah, whatever happens, it'll be a fun day at comp anyway.
Yeah.
God.
We'll see.
I hate it when he does this. But anyway, we will see you at the gym.
Here we go, the new addition to the Strength Collective.
Whoop whoop.
Serena's getting hands on with them.
They're so wobbly.
How do they feel?
Wobbly.
Wobbly?
Yeah. No, they feel fine. They feel nice, yeah.
Be alright, put more weight on.
Yeah,
So
we'll
put more weight on, it'll be alright. Don't know about you, but I'm having a mare of a fucking session today.
No, mine's been alright.
Alright. It's just me then.
Yeah. I have done 150 kilos for 6 reps, then back offs at 20% less, which is 120 kilos for 3 sets of 6. Now I'm doing pause deadlifts.
That I can't do.
3 sets of 3, 2 second pause at the shin, complete the rep, and then 2 second pause below the shin, and that rep's done.
I'm only doing 4 sets of one rep, but I can't pause it. It's just pulling on my back. I'm on my top set now anyway. 170. Is that 170?
50, 60, 90.
Oh yeah. Yeah, 170. Yeah. The 25s throw you off.
Yeah, they do. 50, 60.
So I got my top set at 170. It's supposed to be paused, but I can't pause.
It's 170.
Because it pulls on me back.
It just took me that long to work it out, 170.
Still Kieran at work that you're like, I go to you for maths.
Yeah, but gym maths is different.
Gym maths is me.
Gym maths is well different. It's so difficult. I'm actually good at maths, but not gym maths. It hits different.
Yeah. So, yeah, I've got my headphones wax on. Just not in the mood at the minute.
Very antisocial.
Yeah. Spit me dummy out about my back.
It's going to be in a mood.
No?
What?
What do you say?
Nothing.
They won't be able to spit you up either. You speak that quietly.
No, I don't. I speak fine.
Right.
Let's go, Chris.
Boyo! Got my Viking heavy metal on in my ears.
Nice.
A cover of Sweet Child of Mine.
Whatever gets you through.
Whatever gets you through, yeah. Looking at the wrong camera then, I was looking at the phone. I've only got to do one rep. Fucking easy.
One rep, just do it. Don't think about it, just do it.
Okay, I'm blocking you out now.
Right, it's fine. How was that?
I mean, well, that's all right. It's obviously not supposed to be that. It's supposed to be a pause deadlift.
What about a small pause instead of 4?
I can't do
No
any
pause at all.
Even at the light weights, the warm up weights, I couldn't do it.
Oh.
It was just killing me back. But for some reason, that's all right. Just
Do you think maybe you've got a different form?
I must be doing something wrong in the pause. I must be losing tension or something.
Maybe not bracing your core enough.
That's what I'm saying. I must be losing tension.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm moving on.
Yeah, never mind. That looks so...
Oh, you can't
Oh, look at that!
Oh, hang on a minute. Let me go on this side.
Oi! I can't see because of the
The
shadow.
lighting is amazing in here. Right, I've got to do 12 reps, 3 sets of 12.
3 sets of 12.
3 sets of 12 at 120.
You got the camera out?
Gassy, pumpy. What?
You got the camera out?
Yeah, it's there, yeah.
What? Is it filming?
Yeah, smile.
You're on camera.
Smile, you're on camera. You're on camera. And I thought, why not? Use the new wagon wheels.
Huh?
Just saying, I thought, why not to choose the new wagon wheels?
Yeah, because they're so freaking cool.
Yeah.
I was the first one to use them.
Actually, you weren't.
What?
When you were in the back, Oscar got his hands on them. And then Emily did. And then I did. And then you.
So I was the last to use them.
You were the last to use them.
What the heck?
Right.
12.
12, yeah.
Easy peasy.
It is easy, but this power bar is all ripped up there.
Oh.
And it rips my skin up. You see all that there? It's come off. Whatever protectiveness, sleeve, film, whatever.
Oh.
So it's a bit jagged.
Why don't you put some
But
there?
because I'm a man.
No, you were
Okay.
crying about it the other day.
Huh?
You were crying about it the
No,
other
it's
week.
not.
Yeah, you
It's
were.
all lies.
Come on then, off we pop. 12.
12. I just say it's already started. You see it's bleeding a little bit there. Ridiculous bar this.
Why don't you put your knee sleeves there?
Nah. Come on, man.
fire in the sky.
Says the man who's wearing sleeves here.
I don't even do that anymore.
Yeah, alright.
Oh, look at it scraping.
See? See
Oh.
what it does? Rips my skin open.
What
And now
the
I figured
hell?
out.
When did that happen?
It's been like that for ages. But I think it's just getting worse and worse. I don't know if you can see that. Rips open.
Don't know if you can see that. Big
New tattoo. Wow, very talented. Rob
Danson.
Tattoo in Altrincham. What's his shop called?
Tiger Belly.
Tiger Belly Tattoos in Altrincham.
So, this. Where's
Oh,
your leg?
you've got to get better at this.
Where's your leg?
Bitter. You've got to get better at this. Right. You're filming in Flamingo Land, so get used to this camera, please.
Okay.
See the little
So,
thumbstick?
this is what
Look at that.
happens when you use a power bar.
Do I wear tights? Now you have to focus back on me.
I am.
There we go. Do I wear tights?
Yes.
No.
I'm so bad at this camera stuff.
Yeah, you are.
Are you really
I
nervous
think
about me filming?
it's got a weird setting on it that I need to adjust.
Oh.
Possibly.
Okay, well, you'll teach me, won't you, how to use it before we go to Flamingo Land.
Well, yeah, this is in practice now.
No, this isn't a good enough practice.
This is my...
So Chris has got a sore leg. Look at the state of that. Don't cry, it's okay.
I'm a man.
You are. You'll be fine.
I'll be alright.
What are you doing now?
I've got one more set on here,
Yeah?
on my raised deadlifts, and then I've got 5 sets of 1 sandbag pickups.
Yeah?
I pretend to run, but don't run. I'm not going actually.
Okay. So you're going to get on with these then?
Yeah, I'm just giving my back a bit of a rest. I don't know if you're aware, I'm an old man and my back is gone. So, you know, I've got to take it easy.
Anyway, crack on.
Anyway, what have you got?
Seated.
If you double tap it, it'll go round to
Oh
you.
no.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, not 1, 2. There you go.
1, 2, 3, I did it! I've got what are they called? Seated dumbbell curls.
Incline dumbbell curls.
The curl ones.
The curls.
Yeah, the curls. How about
Girls for
those?
girls. Girls for girls. Curls that make the
Stop
girls.
curls. So I've
You
got,
get the knees.
I don't know what I've got. I think it's something like 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps at 10 kilos. So, and it's the end of the session, and I'm
Big man.
bloated, and I'm
Big man.
tired. I want to go home and binge watch the series that I've been watching.
Oh God, it's 9 o'clock. Right, let's get a move
Yeah.
on.
So let's go.
Where's the 60?
Let's go.
Is that the 60 there?
60.
Yeah.
No.
This little thing here is.
The baby one. The babby one.
Athlete ready.
Sleep ready. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, you've got to just do one, haven't you?
Yeah, 5 sets of 1.
Oh, yeah.
Easy.
You don't need to rest loads between them, though, do you?
Oh, shall I just go again?
Yeah.
Alright.
It'll make it go quicker.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Do you have to lap it? Can you not just grip and rip and run?
Well, obviously, comps 80, 90, 100.
80, 90, 100.
80, 90, 100. 15
Oh, right.
metres uphill.
Oh, right, okay, yeah.
The
So you're
fuck?
going to do it the way you do it on comp?
Ah,
So you're doing it the way you do it on comp?
I'm just learning to grip and pull. See you later, bud.
Bye! You like a little ballerina?
Yeah.
No ballerina, me.
Right, another 2 sets.
Right, come on, Chris.
One more. Done.
Finito.
Let's go.
So,
Done. Session
Completed it.
done.
first proper session back after a week for me. First
Probably.
proper session back for you
For me, yeah, probably.
for about a week.
Yeah.
And then mine went all right, actually. Apart
Mine
from being
didn't.
dead bloated today, but it's fine.
Mine slapped me dummy out a little bit.
A little bit,
Fucking big kid one now.
yeah.
Well, I just got it. It's just. So in the end, I've got pause deadlifts. Got to do pause deadlifts. I can't do pause deadlifts, so I slapped me dummy out. And I thought, no, we'll just do normal deadlifts. Which I said at the beginning of the video I was going to do anyway, but I tried giving it a go. No. Not happening. So, here's what it is.
You did what you could do.
Did what I could do. Got to 170, felt awful. You know what? I did raise deadlifts. Feel the pump in me back on that. Might do some stretching before I leave now, actually. Just some quick stretching. I'll leave it a little bit.
Give it a wiggle.
And then I had sandbag cleans and potential run, but don't run. Easy enough. But like, yeah, this is the last week of prep. Next week there'll be, I don't know, probably one session. Swimming, stretching, mobilise, and then it's game day on Saturday. Saturday the 26th, 27th? At Flamingo Land, North Yorkshire. So yeah, a good day. Fingers crossed my back holds up. I'm sure it will.
My bloated belly.
Yes, you are, aren't you?
I know. I've eaten so much before I came to the gym, and now I'm really bloated. It was a good session, though. I did all my things that I needed to do today.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go home and sleep. I'm
No, you're
so
not. You're going to
tired.
binge watch.
I'm going to binge watch Summer I Turned Pretty. It's a good series. Although it's 9:15
Yeah.
at night
12 minutes past 9 at night.
and I'm tired.
Oh, I know what you're thinking. Chris, where'd you get that gorgeous t-shirt from? Bloody amazing. Well, it's from Barbell Warrior. And if you go on their website and use NORIC10, you get a cheeky little discount, so head on over.
Okay.
Do you like that?
Yeah.
It's good, that, isn't it?
It's a bit better. So thank you for watching our channel again. If you enjoyed it, please.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Thank you.